We're going to go try and find some rice beer because everyone keeps telling me to try rice beer, and I'm so surprised cars don't just drive off the edge. Everyone, this is Nunese, you probably know him.
Nice to meet you.
He seems to be the most famous guy in Kohima. So we come to find Zutho, and we found bloody the whole production. Well guys, as much as it's been an absolutely lovely time here in Kohima, we are going to go back to Kohima because there's not a lot to do here, to be honest. There's just nice views and I don't have much time left. So my boy Subash over here, he's come to pick me up twice now because I don't know what happened. What happened? Did you come here?
No, okay, that side.
Oh, I was literally here. Sat watching. Poor, this guy came to pick me up and I forgot to turn my SIM on, so he tried to call me and then turned around. So I had to call him to come back. So yeah, we're going to go back to Kohima. Tomorrow I'm going to go do the Zhuto Valley trek. And we're going to go meet a guy who's reached out to me on Instagram. Some of you will probably know him. And don't leave me, Subash, Subash, please. Yeah, so we're gonna go meet him. We're gonna go try and find some rice beer because everyone keeps telling me to try rice beer, and so far I haven't found it. So, Subash, I want to try rice beer.
Rice beer.
Where can I go?
Right, no.
My friend in Kohima will take me later, but. Oh, okay. Did you drive too far all the way back?
Huh?
How far did you drive?
Up the bridge.
Oh. So we're gonna go back to Kohima now, and the road is fucking mental. So I'll show you that. Look how close you are to the edge, man. I'm so surprised cars don't just drive off the edge. I mean, in the UK, there would be so many accidents in the UK, it's unbelievable. We can't even drive on a straight road. Today I will try rice beer.
Okay.
That is the mission of today, is to find rice beer. That is my mission.
Okay.
Tomorrow's mission is to get my ass up to the top and drink some whiskey. It's gonna take all day.
Okay.
This is what we're dealing with on the road, guys.
What is this? Just close.
Close the window.
Need dusty.
Soon to be a brand new bridge.
Yes.
Soon.
I think it will take more years.
It's a good job. Subash is a very good rally driver. So I'm waiting on the side of the road for my new friend to come pick me up, and he turned up in this bad boy. Look at this. The gangsterest truck ever, man. Absolute mental case. So yeah, we just caught up. We're gonna go try some rice beer. So how do you pronounce your name? Nunese?
Yeah, Nunese.
Perfect. Everyone, this is Nunese. You probably know him.
Everyone, meet Nunese. He's the youngest Class 1 contractor in the whole of Nagaland, which is mad. He reached out to me on Instagram after seeing one of my videos, and it turned out we were on the same flight into Nagaland. Since then, he's been an absolute legend, showing me some proper local spots you'd never find on your own.
Nice to meet you.
He seems to be the most famous guy in Kohima. But yeah, he's going to take me to find some rice beer.
Dan is going to try the local rice beer, so fingers crossed. Let's see if we can get the rice beer for him.
I hope so. Everybody in the comment, I posted that video, and it's now, it did like 20,000 views in a day or two.
Is it?
And everyone's messaging me on Instagram, you need to try rice beer, So I will try my best to find it, but...
So for the viewers, I actually don't drink, okay?
Yeah.
So we're gonna let Dan drink, and then we will see his reaction of how he finds the taste of local rice beer.
He's a good boy, he's got too many businesses to run.
So we promote our traditional songs. During the olden days, we were enemies of now. The women build this little church. So we have services even during the Hornbill
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So this is
These are the morons.
where the famous Hornbill Festival is actually happens once a year, and they've built a huge village basically for the festival, and it's getting busier and busier every year. And I will be here this year.
Definitely.
Because you have all 16 have all 16 areas, right? Yeah.
Yeah, 17.
17 Morongs now, right? Yeah. And this is the Angami, where we are now. Hello. It's amazing, man. The whole village is sick. And in December, when the Hornbill Festival here, there's about 100,000 people here. Tourists, foreigners, everything. And each tribe can showcase their dresses, their dances, their culture. There's so many different cultures, so many different languages. Yeah, I can't wait to come.
I think this belongs to the Puturis, yeah.
The Puturis. You can just see the tops of all the houses and above. I would love to be able to like transform back in time, right? And see how the life was.
Yeah.
And have all of the Morongs and just see how...
We're lucky that we have this festival actually.
Yeah, for sure, man.
That was connected to the past, no?
Yeah, for sure.
The Naga heritage. The government officials to come here. Updates for the VVIPs.
Wow. So what are they going to have here, like dances and...
Yeah, traditional
Different
dances,
shows.
performance are always done on the main stage.
Okay.
Here you'll have traditional dances, traditional games.
Nice. Yeah, I look forward to... It makes me super excited, actually, to see it like this. So this is like the brand new stadium for VIPs. And it will be built ready for this year.
Yeah.
Oh, sick, man.
So this gives a beautiful aerial view
Yeah,
of the
man.
place, huh? Just that it gets really cold. during
Wow.
December.
Yeah, but get some layers on, you'll be all right.
Yeah.
So amazing, man, with the view in the back as well.
Uh-huh.
Wow. This whole place just looks absolutely amazing. It looks like it's going to be such a cool festival. And yeah, it's the one thing, 100% when I return to the UK, I'm going to sort everything out and get it booked so I can come back. I guess this is one of the old amphitheatres. But yeah, all of the houses and all of the morongs at the top looks amazing. 16 morongs to learn about, 16 rice beers to have with different people. Yeah, it'll be so cool. We're still on the hunt for rice beer though.
This rice beer is so difficult to find.
It is, man.
So difficult to find.
Everyone keeps saying to me in the comments, rice beer, try rice beer. Everywhere I've gone, no, we don't
I
do it.
think if you had taken someone who drinks, nah,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
would know all the place, but out
Of
of
course,
all
of
the people
course.
who drink, you have
Of course.
selected the one who does not even
Oh,
drink. So
yeah, well,
I can take you to beautiful places, but
yeah, fair enough. I don't mind. I will try and find it beforehand, but
you can put it down and see. I'll walk. We'll walk.
yeah. It's just like when you see it driving through the normal traffic, it just
Everybody
looks.
sees this car.
Yeah.
It is the only one in Northeast actually.
You look like
in this way.
an armored car personnel, like. The beast.
Which is next to your hotel.
The Naga kids are always so shy, man. Look at these guys; they're so shy.
I'll also come. Don't worry.
Be careful. Be careful.
Okay,
Chalo.
Rashna, I'll meet you tomorrow.
So rice beers are. Bye. Rice beer is a very hard thing to find out of season. We have looked all around this area, but it's not happened. So we will try one more place in Kohima,
Let my boys bring it tomorrow, yeah?
and hopefully you will see me sipping a rice beer very soon If not, at least I tried.
I'm going to Kohima village once to get Zutho for him. So are you in your office? Oh, so I want to introduce you to him as well. So maybe this evening after I get that, we'll come directly to your station. Chalo, great. Chalo, I'll tell you
This is
1 hour ahead.
the man with the plan right here.
Yeah.
He's found some beers. He's
You're here in Nagaland, especially in Kohima, sir. You have nothing to
Okay.
worry about when you're with my
Okay, I'll
sir.
let you
Yeah,
know.
apparently so.
Okay, thank you. Okay, bye-bye.
It's amazing.
Just a small town boy.
Just a small town boy living in this lonely world, right?
Just enjoying life by the grace of God.
It's the way to do it, brother.
I'm going to call sir. I can't hear the Thank you. Wait.
So we have apparently located some Zutho.
Okay.
Just trying to find out where it is.
Okay, thank you.
These roads are so mental, it's impossible to find.
It's more difficult to find Zutho than gold now.
Doing some ultimate professional side questing right now.
You go first.
Oh, hello. 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 Hey, you doggies. Hello.
So I know nothing. So you better ask them.
This is the full whack. Lots of Zutho. Amazing. So we come to find Zutho, and we found bloody the whole production of it. It's all sitting here, probably fermenting. And you got all these baskets that the aunties were wearing. It's just the ultimate side quest. Hello. How are you? This is the famous Zutho. I've been looking everywhere for this. Guys, we have finally found it. Thanks to this lovely lady. What is your name? She doesn't want to be on camera. But we finally found it. After a long day of looking. I've searched everywhere for this. Oh, it's good, huh?
That's good.
It's nice.
So what's your first impression? What does it taste like?
It almost tastes like it was going to be sour, but then it stops. So you get that first taste, and then it sort of
Sweet.
gets hoppy almost,
Is it?
like a beer. Not too much, but like a little bit of an aftertaste. Yeah. So you have the sour and a bit of sweetness.
So this taste, have you ever tasted something similar to this, or is it?
It's almost like the toddy that I told you about, the coconut toddy, but that gets really sour and has a really horrible aftertaste.
Okay.
This is good. It's manageable.
That's good, no? So you want to take?
What is the ABV of this?
You're asking the wrong person, bro. You're asking the wrong person. If it's tea, I'll tell you.
This guy's the youngest contractor in Nagaland. Mr. Smart knows everybody, but he can't even tell me the ABV of a beer, honestly. Yeah, man. Rice beer made from... It's amazing just what you can do with rice, honestly. Everyone is just... Breakfast, lunch, dinner and alcohol. So this is how it looks. Mystery juice. That's what we like on the channel, right? It doesn't taste very alcoholic, but you can get like the final kick. You can taste like a bit of... It tastes a bit alcoholic on that final kick, right?
Yeah, so basically it's alcohol now, because it's fermented. But the good thing is that it's all natural.
all natural, doesn't damage you. What the hell's that? Rice beer has been drunk and it was very good. You can definitely feel the alcohol. And now we're going on an ultimate side quest to where? The army barracks? Ultimate side quest to the army barracks to meet some high up people. But I can't take you with me. Beer to tea, cheers. Beer to tea, cheers.
Cheers, brother.